Hi, Jessie. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, Jessie. Good evening. Good evening. And welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Wow, that's very good to know. Did you already eat your dinner?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner?
I eat egg and rice.
Egg and rice?
Yes.
Oh, wow, that's very
What do you eat
delicious.
today?
Today I eat, do you know eggplant?
No.
Really? You don't know eggplant? Let me show you. Eggplant omelette. This one. So it's a Filipino dish. So it's eggplant omelette. So it has
I
a,
don't see.
you cannot
Oh,
see. Yeah.
it is an island.
Yeah, it
It,
has an egg and eggplant. This one. This is the eggplant. You know this one? The purple
yes.
vegetable. Yes. So and eggplant. So omelette. Eggplant omelette. Yeah, that's my food today. Eggplant and rice. So basically, I also ate an egg. Okay. So now, are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So if you still remember, what do we talk about last time? What is our lesson?
Family.
Very good. It's all about family. And who are those that we have in our family?
Grandma, grandpa, mom, mommy, daddy, sister, brother, and baby.
Very good. So those are our family. So very good. So now, let's have an activity about our family. So we have here a picture and we will listen and number. Okay, let me just open the sound and let's listen
Page
first.
32. B. Listen and number. 1,
One.
Hi, Emma. Hi, Anne.
2,
Oh,
Julie, my mother,
okay, let's listen first.
3,
my father,
My father,
4,
my brother,
5,
my sister,
my sister,
6,
my grandmother, and my grandfather.
my-
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, so again, so let's listen to number one.
number. 1,
Hi, Emma. Hi, Anne.
Okay, so for our number one, what did you heard? It's hi
Hi, Emma.
and
Hi, Anne.
very good. So in this picture, where do you think is Emma and Anne? Hmm. Hi,
Hmm.
Emma. Hi,
Emma.
Anne. This one. This one? Okay, very good. So this one is Emma and
Huh.
Anne. Okay, so this will be our number one. Okay,
One.
number two.
2,
Julie, my mother,
Okay, number two. What did we heard?
Julie, my mother,
Okay, can you tell teacher what is Julie or the mother wearing in the picture? What is she wearing? Yes,
she,
can you describe how she looks? What is she wearing? What is the color of her shirt?
Yes, he,
She is
she
wearing
wearing a dress.
a
It's a
dress.
purple
Purple and
dress
is it
and pink.
very good. No, actually this one, so very good. So this one is this the mother? Is this
Yes.
Julie? Very good. So actually this one is, yes, this one is Julie, the mother. So she is wearing a shirt or a pink shirt and a purple skirt. How about his or her shoes? What is the color of her shoes?
It's purple.
Purple also. Very good. So this is, what is the mother's name?
Um,
What is the name of the mother?
Julie.
Julie. Very good. Okay, that is for our number 2. Julie, my mother. Next, for number 3.
3.
My father.
Okay, number 3. What is number
My
3?
father.
My father. Now, can you tell teacher or can you describe what is father wearing?
Father wearing a
Mhm.
shirt,
What color?
blue, and uh 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 uh, uh
Ah, father is wearing a blue shirt.
blue shirt
What is this?
and hmm,
Hmm, blue pants
blue pant
and blue
and shoe.
shoes. Very good. Again, what is father wearing?
Father
Father is wearing
wearing
a blue
a blue
sh- shirt,
shirt,
blue
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 pants
and
and blue
shoes.
shoes.
Okay, again, let's see. Shoes.
Shoes.
Okay, very good. Perfect. So this is father. Very good. So father is wearing blue shirt, blue pants, and blue shoes. Good job. Next, number 4.
4.
My brother.
Oh, number 4.
My brother.
Oh, my brother. Now, can you tell teacher where is the brother? What is he wearing?
He's sick in the chair.
Very
A
good.
brown chair.
Very good. He is sitting in the
In the
chair or
chair.
brown chair. Very good. So,
Brown chair.
okay, what is he wearing?
He's wearing a a a br- a a, a purple shirt and
Uh, purple
uh
shirt,
and uh and blue
blue.
blue blue pants.
Okay, very good. And what is brother doing?
A brother with a book.
Very good. So brother is reading
Reading
a book.
a book.
Okay, very good. So for this one, Jessie, so we have here our question. What is the brother doing? So we usually answer this question. So we add ing. We add ing in the verb or action word. For example, read. So we will use here reading. So instead of saying brother read book, so we will say brother is reading a book, because this question we are asking about what is happening now. What is happening right now? So meaning, so we are asking about what is happening. So we will add ing. Like for example, jump. What is, how do we use it in the jumping?
Jumping.
Jumping. Very good. Run.
Running.
Okay, very good. So, for example, what is the brother doing? If we
My
use the brother,
brother read in a book.
okay, very good. Brother is
Read
reading.
is in a book.
Okay, very good. So, remember when answering some questions and we use it in a sentence, don't forget the is. Brother is reading a book. Or if we are talking about many people, like for example, father and mother. So these are two people, we use are. Okay, so if we are talking about one person, only one, we use is. Okay, yes.
Yes.
Brother is reading a book. If we are
Brother is reading a book.
Okay, very good. If we are talking about two, we will use are. For example, father and mother are standing.
Standing.
Okay, so we will not use stand. So instead, we will use standing. Okay,
Standing.
yes, that is how we answer questions. So don't forget the is or are. Okay? Very good. So you did a great job. Okay, so this is number 4,
Oh,
brother. Next, number 5.
5,
hi.
My sister?
Okay, my sister. Can you tell teacher where is the sister, or what is
Sister. A
Mhm,
sister where a chest is
the sister is?
wearing a chest, purple chest.
Very good, purple dress. And what is she holding?
She holding
She
a
is, don't forget the is.
dolls.
Okay, very good.
She is holding a doll.
Very good. So good job. So don't forget the is. Okay, she is holding a doll.
Doll.
Very good. So good job. So this is the sister. And for our last family members, next one,
6,
6.
My grandmother and my grandfather. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, number 6. What did they said, or who is the family member? It's
Is grandfather and grandfather.
okay, very good. Grandmother or my
Grandmother and grandfather.
okay, very good. My grandmother and grandfather. Now,
Grandmother.
okay, now can you tell teacher what is grandmother? What what are grandmother and grandfather wearing? Can you describe what are
Uh,
grandmother and grandfather?
grand, grandmother and grandfather sit in the sofa and watch TV.
Okay, don't forget, grandmother and grandfather
Father is
are is or are? Is
ah
or are very good. So if we
ah
are talking about two or many persons, we use are. Okay,
ah
grandmother and
and
grandfather.
grandfather sit in a sofa.
Very,
Sit in sofa.
Okay. What are they wearing? Or what is the color?
And the
They are.
grandfather, they are
Okay, go. Grandfather. Let's go with grandfather first. Grandfather
grandfather um is
is,
wearing a shirt,
yes, shirt,
red shirt,
brown shirt.
and
Uh-huh.
and grandmother, grandmother, grandmother
Grandmother.
wearing a purple shirt.
Okay, very good. So don't forget again. So we will use is. Grandmother
Yes,
is
is wearing
wearing.
a purple shirt.
Very good. So good job. So those are grandmother and grandfather. So very good. So good job. Good job for trying your best in answering in sentences. Now, let's read the story that we have from number 1. Okay, this one. Hi, hi Anna. Hi Emma.
Hi, hi Emma. Hi Aunt.
Okay, next.
Surely my mom, my
My,
father,
my father.
my
This one.
sister,
Okay, my sister and
my brother, my grand, my
friend.
grandmother, and my grandfather.
Okay, very good. So those are the families that we have in this
In
picture. So good job.
this
So we
picture.
very good. So and sister. Good job. Next. So for this one, so we will learn our new sentence structure. So we have here. So let's first listen before we read the sentence.
Page 33. See,
See
listen, and say.
Let's
Then
say,
practice.
and practice.
This is my mother.
Okay. Okay. So let's
this
read.
is my mother.
Okay. This is my mother.
My
So,
mother.
okay, very good. So for this one, for this sentence, Jessie, we use this is when we point to something close to us. So we use this to introduce our family. Like for example, you have your mother's picture. So you will say, this is my mother.
Mother
This is
is
my,
my father.
very good. So we use it to introduce our family. So very good. So let's try to introduce each family that we have here. So let's go first with this first picture. Who is this?
This is my mommy. This is
Okay,
my mother.
very good. Mommy and mother is both correct. Very good. Next.
This is my father. This
Very
is
good.
my it is my brother. This is my sister. This is my grandmother. This is my grandfather.
Okay, very good. So easy, easy lemon squeezy.
Oh my.
Okay,
Oh.
very good. So that is how we introduce our family. So based on their picture, so we will say, this is my mother, this is my sister, this is my brother. Okay, good job. Next. Easy, easy lemon squeezy.
No,
Okay. I know. Okay. So now we have here a question. So let's read or let's listen first to our question.
Page 33. D. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Who's this?
This is my mother.
Whose?
Who is
Who is?
who is
Okay.
is my mother.
Whose?
Who is?
Okay, very good. So this question, Jessie. So we
Yes.
use this if we want. We use this if we want to
Mm.
know the name of a person
Friend.
that we are pointing to. Yes, we use this to ask, or we use this if we want to know the person we are pointing to, or the name of the person. Like, for example, I will ask you, who is this?
This is my mom.
Very good. This is my mom. So again,
Oh
so
my God.
we use this answer if we are asking, or if we are saying or introducing about our family. This is my mother. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's go first with number 1. Who is this?
This is my mother.
Very good. Next, who's
This is
this?
my father.
Who is this?
This is my sister.
Okay, very good. Again, let's practice the word sister. Let's say sister, not sitter.
Sister.
Sis. Let's say sister.
Sister.
Very good. Sister. Okay, make sure when
Sister.
very good. Make sure when you are saying words with repetitive words or letters like double S, so try to say it slowly. Okay, like sister. Okay? Okay,
Sister.
very good. Very good. Next, number 4. Who's this?
Is my brother.
Very good. Next, who's this?
Is my grandfather.
Very good. Who's this?
Is my grandmother.
Very good. So those are all of our family members. So again, who's this? Number 1.
Ma. Is my mother.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Next,
Is my father.
mother. Very good. Next,
Is my sister.
very good. Sister. Next,
Sister.
very good. So good job. Next,
Is my brother.
brother. Very good. So fast. Very, very easy. Okay. Next,
Is my grandfather.
grandfather. This is my grandfather. Very good. And for the last one, this.
Is my grandmother.
Very good. This is my grandmother. Okay, very good. So that is how we introduce and how we answer the question, who is this? Okay, good job. Next, let's proceed to our next activity. So we have another set of pictures here. Oh, actually, this one. Let's start with this one. Who is this? Very easy.
Is my my grandfather.
Okay, very good. Next, Who is this?
This is my brother.
Brother. Next.
It is my sister.
Okay, again, let's say sis, not six. Sis.
Sick.
Sis.
Sick.
S.
Sick.
Not sick.
Six.
Sis. Not six. Sis. Sis.
This
Yes, very good. Sister.
sister.
Okay, good job. Not six, okay. Six is different with sis. Okay, again, let's say sister.
Sister.
Yes, very good. Perfect. Okay, this is my sister. Okay.
So,
Okay, let's have a game here. Let's have a quick, very, very quick game.
very quick game.
Yes. Can you choose a number?
Okay, I see one.
Okay, one. Let's
It
read. This is Emma's
Emma's brother.
very good brother. Next
Five.
number.
Five. Number
Uh,
5.
Okay,
This is Emma's mother.
very good. Next
7.
7. Oh, who is this?
Is my grandmother.
Very good. Next
9.
9. Okay, who is this? This first.
This is my mother. This is my father.
Very good. Good job. Let's check. Very good. So also we can just mix it all together for it to become a one sentence. So we can say, this is my mother and father.
my father.
Okay, very good. So good job. Next,
8.
8. Who is
This
this?
is my brother.
Very good. This is my brother. Next is
2.
2. Who is this?
This is my sister.
Sister. Very good. Next number
4.
4. Okay.
This is Emma grandmother.
Very good. Emma's grandmother. For the last two numbers.
6.
Very good.
This is Emma sister.
Sis. Okay, again. Sis. S. Very good. Sister. Not sick. Sis.
Sick.
Sis.
Sister.
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 Again, let's say sis. 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 Not sick, not sick. Sis. Yes, very good. Sister. Sister. Okay, very good. That's very good. Okay, this is Emma's sister. Okay, next for the last number.
This is Emma grandfather.
Okay, very good. So
Quick.
Wow, very good. Quick. Okay, good job. Good job. I can see that you are able to apply all of the sentence structures and also name each family members. However, I noticed, Jessie, so you are having a hard time saying sister. You say it as sister or sixter. So make sure to practice sister. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, Jessie. See you again next Friday. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye, teacher. Bye bye.